Oh, let's move on. Sorry. Basta yun ang word ko, Rick.
Si James mo yan. GPT natin. Wait lang. Mahirap eh. Inano yung general eh. Buti yung buhok. Wait lang.
Hello, si Stelma. Shout out. Nag-mute ako kasi nanonood ng TV tong isang kasama. Thank you, sis. Thank you. Oh, sis, ayan o.
Ikaw lamig.
Tapos ito.
Dahil ang impostor ay walang iba, hindi ako.
Nag-mute ako, nanonood kasi itong kasama ko.
Sabi niya, babaliwin ko pa. Kinakain.
Marami pa akong gagawin.
Ano yung word? Ano yung word?
Ang dami pa.
Hulaan mo.
Hindi ko nga alam eh.
Kaya sabi ko, isa.
Overtime si Jenaline kasi bukas maglalabada na ako.
Hunting for some more animals. I'm gonna go catch a buffalo.
Asan po
Yeah, my
kayo sa
farm
Laguna?
kinda
Santa
sucks.
Rosa, sis.
And whatever the heck this is.
Nandito kami sa Santa Rosa.
Well, my farm is amazing. I have an elephant.
Wait, how do you have an elephant? What?
Sa may Pulong Santa Cruz, Santa Rosa, Laguna po kami dyan sa Balibago, Makabling.
Dang it! Oh no!
Ah, sa
I
Makabling.
just missed. Oh my god.
Dito kami sa may malapit sa Nubali.
I'm going after this
Dinadaanan papuntang Nubali.
There's no way you catch it.
giraffe. No, I died again. What the heck?
Watch out for the ox.
Alam mo Nubali?
Bro, I didn't even get on the animal.
Oh, buffalo. Give me you.
I'm going after this zebra. Bro, the zebras are fast.
I know.
I'm getting this one right here. No! Oh my
Sa Makabling
god.
ka pala.
I missed the gun. What? No, the zebras are zooming right now.
Come here, zebra. Oh, I can get the giraffe. Please. Please. Yes, I got the giraffe.
Alright, I'm going after this giraffe. Come on. Yes! Alright, I got the giraffe too. Let's go. How do you guys get it so fast?
You have to press space. It's turbo.
What?
Just kidding.
You idiot. No way you made Nate jump off his animal. Oh, wait, what is it? Right, my farm.
Pag dito ka galing sa Santa Rosa, papunta ka ng Tagaytay, madadaan mo rin yung lugar na.
What is this? A buffalo. Nice. Oh my god, there's like a dragon out here. What the heck?
Where are you?
Like 700 meters, and there's a dragon.
I'm coming back to my farm.
By the way, guys, don't forget to feed your animals. I don't know what it does, but you don't want your animals
Nagising
dying.
na yung
It's
maliit.
too much responsibility. I need a manager or something.
Oh my goodness, I got my crocodile and his name.
Ayun na yung nagawa ko sis.
Alright, I'm going back in the wilderness.
Ayun na, nakasabit
I'm
na.
gonna ride the ostrich. Come on.
Oh, I just got a new lasso. An iron leaf.
Come on, I don't have a zebra yet, and I see a zebra right in front of me.
Oh, you can buy animals from the shop too.
Really?
Yeah.
You don't have to go hunting for them?
I guess not.
Give me the zebra!
Saan ka? Ay, sa ano ka nga pala?
Give me this, give me this.
Taga,
Oh my
ano ka
gosh, I
pala?
died. Alright, I'm about to get the zebra. Right here. Oh, no! The zebra's
Akala ko
too fast,
taga
bro.
rito
I
kasi
can't catch it.
ay sa Laguna din.
Alright, I'm feeding my crocodile. Did it just get bigger or something?
I think it makes it faster.
Tita mo pala, hindi ikaw.
Come on. Let me catch this stupid giraffe. I'm pressing space. I'm jumping. Come
Oo,
on.
cute siya kasi
Come on.
maliit lang.
Oh, I landed on it.
5 ang gagawin ko, isa pa lang yung nabubuo ko. Kaya ayan no, bumili na naman ako ng soft
Wait,
drink.
if the animals let you
Wala
die?
akong mahanap na ganito sa basurahan, oh.
Okay,
Kakanda ubusan.
I'm catching a zebra, bro.
Come here, giraffe. Come on. Come on,
Sa dami ba naman ang gagawa? Bawat estudyante isa.
Let's go, giraffe. Please.
5 ang gagawin ko kasi may nagpapagawa sa
Actually
akin.
pretty easy. You might just...
Dito pa ako Bulacan.
Oh
Oo
my
nga,
God.
akala ko nasa
Okay, I'm on a
Laguna
zebra.
ka din.
Hopefully
Bulacan
I
ka
don't
pala.
die. Come on.
I got the giraffe. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, please, please. Yes! Okay, I got the zebra. Perfect.
Come on, don't die. Don't die.
Wait, I see a snake. I see a snake. I can get a snake, guys. Bro, somebody has to catch that dragon. Oh, I see a tiger. I need a tiger, bro.
Wait, how many meters are you at?
I'm at 510 meters. Well, the tiger's so fast. I can't even catch up.
Pa
to him.
Come
natutulog
on,
sis.
no! I missed this.
Tiger, wait up, please. All right, here we go. Sweet. Oh wait, no. I'm just gonna risk it for the biscuit. No. Never mind.
Habang wala pa akong bote,
Tigers.
ito muna ginagawa ko yung mga, ilaan mo nga yung kuya?
Come on. Yes, I'm on the tiger. I'm on
Inaan
the
mo
tiger.
yung pipi.
Let's go. Don't crash.
Ito muna yung ginagawa ko yung mga pangdikit doon.
Oh, this bird. Wait a second. I'm so scared right now. I'm jumping. Please. No.
Add a Q&A sticker.
I got the tiger. Let's go. I got the tiger. Yes.
What?
Sir. Yes.
I'm on a bird. Oh, this dragon.
You see it?
Yeah, I'm scared.
Get it.
Kain ka na, be?
Okay, I need other animals. Oh, crocodile.
Gusto mo kumain?
Yes, sir.
Be,
I'm going back out. I need to catch up with Brady.
lalagnat yung bunso ko.
So insane after this. Not gonna lie though, the crocodile is very
Pagkagaling niya ng school, nasa school pa siya,
slow. The elephant.
nilagnat na, nakatulog sa loob ng classroom nila.
Oh, tiger! Come here! Bro, I almost have the crocodile. I almost have it.
Malikot yan sa loob ng room nila, nagulat yung teacher, bakit daw biglang tahimik. Yung pala nilalagnat na.
Go, we got the crocodile. Let's go. Let's go. I'm on the tiger. Bro, let's get every single animal. Oh, it's the rarest animal you can get.
Nag-assessment sila kanina, yung bunso ko.
Maybe they wouldn't get that. Wait, you guys have the
Biglang nilagnat sa assessment.
Wait, Dad, I'm about to reach like Halloween land. Yes! Oh my gosh, I might be able to get a ghost. How many leaves are you at? I'm at almost 2,000. What? Alright, let me go over the tiger.
Masaya mag-DIY, kailangan mo lang magtiyaga. Mahilig kasi ako sa mga ganito eh.
Forget those, yeah, forget those animals. I'm trying to get this back.
Kailangan mo lang tiyagain talaga. Kasi matrabaho.
Oh, a dodo bird. Wait, has anybody gotten a spider yet? I have. I haven't even seen a spider. Oh, a ghost! Yes, I got it back! I got that and I died! No, I'm respawning. I don't care. I want that back. Oh my gosh, the crocodile. They're spinning robots. Yes, bro. Oh my gosh, the bastard.
Hello, 6 million people there.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you po sa inyong pagsilip.
I don't know.
Patamsak naman po ako. Thank you. Ayan, nagawa akong DIY parol. Yung mga bang accessories ang inuuna ko kasi wala pa akong bote. Ganun po ang gagawin ko. Ayan, yung nakasabit. May isa na ako.
Oh my gosh. There's so much going on. What is this? I'm like a perfect.
Naisip ko mag-live. Wala namang gagawin. Habang
I don't know what this is.
kukuti-kuti rito, magla-live ako. Wala, kulang yung isa.
I got the lion.
Wala, malaki yung ano.
Oh my god. So far. I'm moving so fast. I'm going after this bird. Come on. Come on.
Kailangan ko ng ilan?
I'm respawning again. Why did this is the rare thing?
Kailangan ko ng 25 pieces na ganito.
It's taking so long to say. I say gorilla. I say gorilla. I'm going after this gorilla.
Kailangan ko pa talaga drinking straw. Oo, yun ang binigay sa amin. Ano kasi to? May contest sa school. Per building ang contest ng Christmas decoration.
I don't think so. I think this purple animal is better.
Ang sa amin, sa building namin, gagawa kami ng Belen. Gamit yung mga bote ng soft drinks.
It's a
Tapos, sa mga kananayan, parol. Bukod yung Belen na panggrupo namin. Ito, sa bawat isang nanay, isang parol. Sa isang estudyante, isang parol pala.
I died. I knew it.
Eh, may mga kananayan ako, hindi daw nila kayang gumawa.
That was the rare thing. Yes, sir.
Siyempre, gagawa na lang natin kasi para may maipasa sila.
Oh my gosh. Let's go. That's probably a gargoyle. I'm getting
Kailangan kasi sis,
so slow, but they do have like
recycled material. Kaya lang, wala naman akong mahanap na ganitong straw sa mga, yan sa mga tinda-tindahan. Iba ang kulay, dapat blue.
that's how I died, bro.
Iba ang kulay ng nasa mga tindahan. Kaya bumili na lang ako.
Oh my gosh. Yes.
Bukas nga, yung isa naming kananayan bukas, maghahati dito ng bote ay ganito kasi nagpapagawa siyang 2 piraso. Sabi ko, namumroblema ako maghanap ng ganito kasi nagkakaubusan na nga, wala na ako makita sa mga tapunan ng ano, sa mga tinda-tindahan.
Oh, I see.
Ngayon, pupunta daw siya bukas, dadala niya ako, may laman pa.
Guys, come look at buying all the
Ako na daw umubos ng laman, basta kailangan niya yung bote lang.
crocodile, tiger, yeah, my farm is definitely way better than you guys have. That's my animals. You know, guys. Finally, you feed them. I know they were.
Masaya kaya
They
maganito.
ate my food. You fatties.
Yung isang electric fan buksan mo.
All right, I'm going back in the game. Come on, I need some more
Tapat mo
animals.
dito sa
Oh my
atin.
goodness, this zebra is zooming. Zebra, you guys watching this game?
Ayusin mo, baka naman
Tiger, come on.
mapigtas.
Oh, the tiger's my fastest pet. Speed is 23.
Ay.
All right, let's see what I
Nako
got.
po.
Oh my goodness, I got so many. Check, look at my farm. Let me see. Okay, you have an
Init.
elephant, an ostrich. Ow? Yeah. What the?
Ayusin mo muna kuya, nakakilo yung ulo. Oh.
It's a rainbow. I can't see it. Are you lying? It's right here, bro. That's a tiger. Oh, I see it. All right, I'm going back out. Oh, here's my big body of snake. Please. All right, and go. Let's go.
Magkano din isang balot niyang straw? Mahal din. 15 pesos. Bumili na ako ng dalawa. Bali pangatlo na yan kasi nagkakaubusan na.
The whale.
Ha?
Don't worry
Ano?
about it. I gotta worry about it. Alright, Jack's definitely thinking.
Ito?
What can you even buy? Oh, you can just buy the pet. Whoa. Oh, that ballerina
15 pesos. Bumili ako marami kasi nagkakaubusan na yung iba naming kananayan. Wala daw mahanap. So, bumili na ako. Ibibigay ko sa kanila yan sa Monday.
Yeah, Jack's that robot, and I still have the rare pet in the game, which is the cardboard.
Dapat kasi pare-pareho yung gawa namin.
The headless horseman.
Dapat yung isang building kami, up and down. Ano, bali sa dalawa, limang room. Dapat pare-pareho ang design namin.
Alright, I'm buying the ocean event pack. Oh, I should open a back there. Oh. Oh my gosh, I have a rainbow working. Wait, how is my fish out here? What? Wait, guys, come look at my, what is this?
Di ka pa natutulog sis, nagagala ka?
My farm animals. Got my crab. This is
Sa galaan ka?
I have fish out of water.
Nagagala ka ba?
Are you gonna put them in water? They're gonna suffocate. That could go right.
Nagagala ka sa Whitey World.
It would not be alright. Well, I'm gonna feed you elephant raw meat. Okay, thank you. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't fed him in a while. Wait, there's allowed to eat raw meat? No, this is animals eat raw meat. Elephant vegetarian. So I thought, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What? I'm on Jack Skellington right now. The pumpkin head skeleton. The headless horseman? If you eat him, I think that might be the rarest one. Oh my goodness. Yeah, don't die. Focus up. You need to focus up right now. I'm locked in. We're halfway. There's so many animals out here. They're running in front of me. Be careful. Don't die. 75%. Come on, Dave. If you get it, I want to see it, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Please die. Please die. Please die. Please die. Yes. Sorry. Don't did I die? Come on. Please, bro. Hurry it up. No, the zero keeps running into me.
Ay ka na be?
I'm so close. I'm about to get it. I'm about to get it. There's no way. There's no way.
Nakakaantok gumawa niya.
No.
Ako hindi naantok, malilibang ako pag ganitong mga...
I gotta jump off.
Ano? Naroon ko yan. Katatapos lang po kasi ng premiere sa isang sinusupport ko. Ah, okay. Premiere 45 minutes. Ang ikli naman nun. Kanino? Ay, mysterious ba? Wala, hindi ako nakapunta. Kay mysterious ba? Ate Kay. Hindi po. Akala ko kay mysterious. Uy, baka inaanto ka na. Iwanan mo na ako. Okay lang ako dito. Thank you kanina. Welcome. Tapos ka na ba, Ate Kay? Umalis na ako dun.
I need to get out into the field for some action. Keep an eye on my feet.
Wala po siya premiere na nakaset ah. Busy daw siya eh. Nasa probinsya ata siya. Sabi niya busy siya eh. Nasa probinsya daw siya. Ay sis, baka inaanto ka na. Matulog ka na. Okay lang ako dito. Mag-live lang ako ng 1 hour. Wala lang, live lang. Ang baba kasi ng watch hour ko. Hindi man lang umabot ng hundreds yung watch hour ko. Wala si Kulits. Baka nasa anak na ulit niya yung cellphone. Ang hirap pag may kaagaw na anak sa cellphone. Eh ako dalawa na kaagaw ko kasi itong panganay ko nasira na yung cellphone niya. Pero ngayon bawal muna sila. Kasi gumastos sila ng magkano ginastos niya? 265. Dahil lang sa laro nilang ewan. Sa laro nilang magkapatid. Ate Orlin, shout out. Gising ka pa, Ate Orlin. 11 na po. Ako dito, nandiyan ka pala ate. Bibisi-bisi yan si Inday. Ano gawa mo? Nagawa po akong parol, Ate Arlene. Project ng aking bunso sa school. Parol. Ganon. Ganon ang gagawin ko, Ate Arlene. Ayun. Nakaisa na ako. Project. Opo, project sa school. Yahoo family. Ay! Hi, Nay! Yes, si Nanay. Ma'am Yahoo! Ilan ba project natin? 5 po ang gagawin ko, Nay. 5 piraso. 25 pieces na ganito. Tapos 10 pieces na ganito. Tapos 5 pieces na ganito. Yung star. Wala pa akong bote. Kulang pa yung bote ko. Kaya ito muna mga ginagawa ko. Taas na, grades mo. Very good na nga ako sa teacher niyang bunso ko, Ate Arlene eh. Diyos ko, lahat ba yan? Tatapusin natin tonight. Hindi naman po. Hanggang antukin lang. Naantay ko tong bunso ko eh. Ayaw pa pong kumain eh. Nalagnat kasi ayaw pang kumain. Naantay kong magutom. Natulog siya kanina, kakagising ko. Naantay kong kumain. Magtimpla tayo kape para may tagay. Magsitulog na kayo! Tatagay. Iwanan nyo na ako. Wala lang to. O, diba? Nanay na nag-adjust sa mga bata. Yung bunso ko kanina na may assessment. Ayun, tumahol na. May assessment kanina yung bunso ko. Sabi ni teacher, pagkatapos mag-assessment, biglang natulog. Kaya daw hindi pala naglilikot sa loob ng room. Sama ang pakiramdam, nilagnat bigla kanina pagkatapos ng assessment. Na-stress siguro sa sasagutan niya. Na-stress sa exam niya kanina. O, diba? Kain tayo, may arroz caldo. Nag-arroz caldo ka na. Ikala ko chicken curry sulutuin mo. Okay lang yan. Pag nagkakasakit, ibig sabihin lumalaki, humahaba, lumalapad, tumatangkad. Oo nga po na eh. Itong bunso ko talaga na totoo lang pag medyo bumibilog na yung katawan niya, hindi pwedeng hindi siya lalagnatin. Tapos biglang payat na naman. Pero tumatangkad talaga. Mahaba yung katawan. Ganito siya eh. Pag medyo bumibilog na yung katawan, biglang magkakalagnat. Hindi ko nagawang magluto sa chicken curry. Iba talaga pag may anak. Oo, sis. Sabay nga, ito panganay ko may sinat din kanina. Tapos pinainom kong Biogesic. Okay na daw siya ngayon. Ate Arlene, gusto ko yun, chicken curry, kaya lang di rin ako marunong magluto. Kaya pinapagluto ko si nanay. Gagayahin ko. Di pa ako nakakaluto. Disturb sila sa kusina. Hindi ako makapag-hi guys. Graduate na ako dyan sa mga alaga-alaga at gawa ng project. Oo nga po, Ate Arlene. Ako matagal pa. Parang nasa ano pa lang ako. Nag-uumpisa ulit. Gawa ng si JN.
Let's go. Easy. Nice one.
Mas gusto ko naman magganito kaysa magturo ng module kay JM. Nang-stress ako. Singa daw, singa. Nasaan na yung panyo nun? Ayan, pasingahin mo ako yan. Singa, ikaw na.
Got sonar located. Red Lane's got him trapped by the yacht club.
Easy lang ang curry, may libre pang shout out. Basta walang istorbo sa kusina, may libreng shout out. Di ka nakagabi, may bis kami. Ayan, si Kulits, di pumasok. Nag-heart lang sa link. Shinare ko. Baka nandyan lang yun. One, two, three, four. Sobra na ako. One, two, three, four. Sobra na. Ay! Sobra. Masama ang sobra. Basta di makapasok ng playlist yan. Gusto ko maging nanay. Paglaki ko maayos sa gamit at bahay. Gusto ko din ganyan ay maayos sila sa gamit at kaya lang hindi. Ay. Burara. Lalo tong panganay ko. Burara. Ito oh. Burara. Mga lalaki nga naman. Tinuturuan ko naman maging masinop sa bahay. Wala. Nay, iwan mo na ako, Nay. Okay lang ako. E-end ko din yan maya. Mga anak ko, hindi nila alam kainin yung may curry kasi hindi ko pa naluluto yan. Ayaw mo i-try, Ate Arlene? Masarap ko yun.
Alright, things on here. Some of you in worse shape than others.
Everything hurts. Even my socks, Sam.
Masarap po yan, Ate Arlene. Pero ikaw, gusto mo yan, Ate Arlene, yung chicken curry?
So,
Huwag nyo na ako tambayan. Magsitulog na kayo. 11 na. Maya-maya, matutulog na din kami. Kain ka na, be? Kakain ka na? Hindi po. Kain ka na? Ayaw niyang kumain. Walang gana. Ano ito? May clip.
great.
Sabi? Puro lalaki din anak ko. Basta pag kumain sila at natapos na, bibit na nila mga plato nila. Diretso sa hugasan. Ganyan din po yung dalawa ko, ate. Bit-bit, dalhin sa lababo. Pero, hanggang ganon lang. Yung panganay ko, kung di ka pa high blood, utusan na maghugas, hindi kang gagalaw eh. Tinuturuan ko nga kasi pinatilyo na. Ayan, huwag mo hawakan doon eh. L mo muna, L. Yan, palagay mo sa kilikil. Kaso, ako maghuhugas. Ganyan din dito, Ate Arlene. Sige na po, Ate Arlie. Good night. Salamat, Ate Arlie, sa pagtambay. Tulog ka na po. Late na, oh. Salamat. Good night. Sagutan na.
Ayun na po na. 7:37.
7.3.
Ano yun ma?
Ha? Dito.
Nice one. Let's go, boy. Let's go, guys. Nice one. Yun.
Di mag-eat ka, be, kasi kakain ka kanin. Ay, kakain. Iinom ikaw gamot.
Yan. Higit ka.
Clutch. Nice go. Let's go, Club, babe.
Kumain naman yung kanina. Bago mag-6.
Oh my goodness. Oh, matagal-tagal itong gameplay na ganito ah. Nagkat sila ng budget ah. Ay, parang what? Alright. Sino isang ulit? Ano? Wala yun. What? Ano to? Huh? Okay, tama. My goodness, ako gusto ko. Yun. Let's go. Alright. Oh my goodness. Focus ako. Let's go. Ang next. Ranking against the
Nanonood pa ma? Ma?
Sinam na yan. Ito na. Pwede na pang... Pwede nito eh, pang ano.
Ano?
DIY.
Great.
Easily the bricks.
A lot of gun.
Because right? So, okay then. Let's do it.
Kuyap na naman ako nito kay Jay.
You see, what is that? Whatever it is, it sounds like orange.
Hey, CT. Get a load of my new money. No way. You guys have me. Who? Yep. That's why I bring back up. Lot. I'm not mad. Oh. I don't care. We just go and spread those wings of yours. We want to save the city. We need to take her down. Without her, we're making smart.
Nahawa siya ng ubo kay Afish. Ano oras ka uminom gamot, kuya?
Ha?
Ano oras ka uminom gamot?
9.
9? 10, 11. Naman pala dapat. Matulog ka na. Sabi matulog ka ng maaga ngayon.
destroy. Not easy. Red Wings put up a roadblock, which tear it down.
But you know that every time the city grows, it becomes larger.
Oh my goodness, really? What? Anong kalokohan yun? 83% na yun. Oh my goodness, bro. I don't know what to do anymore.
Talaga pala ako.
Di ba mas
Kuya, matulog ka na sabi.
Pasok yan. Nice. Bakit nga lang sa libo, super lang mga sige. Ayun, step back. Nakano pala sa sobrang nakano. Gusto ko yan. Pag dapat table na kapag 90%.
Not the strictest
Gusto
of
na
it.
kapag.
It's Mr. Business.
Robert, got any CT work nearby? I need help with evacuation.
Although I understand there are higher priorities for SDN at this moment. Dan's ex-girlfriend is demanding a copy from Santa Monica they brought to Danco.
Wala akong paki, bala ko. Unahin pa ba natin yung konti nito? Bahala ka.
My money's not this one.
Bay na. Uy, nandiyan ka pa. Sige na, thank you. Tulog ka na. Nandiyan ka pa pala.
That's legal speak.
Bye-bye. Thank you, sis.
Last one left alive was on the go straight to the
Ano nangyari?
Pero walang tao.
50%. Labas na naman. Mali na naman.
Tulog ka na. Thank you. Akala ko umalis ka na kanina pa. Bye-bye. Good night.
Nakapag-injure. Bumabagsak yung stats nila. Hindi ko na napansin.
If you are sure, I will. Okay, that's a lot of time. You are so alive.
Nice.
At least the neighborhood wants mobilizing against the Red Wing.
Thank you. Good night.
Ano na naman? O, diba? Ba't gano'n? Parang epic fail palagi. Tama naman yung mga pinapadala ko. Ulo! Ang please guy! Ay, pasok pa din kahit paano pwede rin. Diba? Ang please nga, kaya kasi wakatan ko yung pinadala. Ano ba naman klaseng ayaw na yun?
Have that. Oh.
Dying forever.
Baka hindi tayo manalo. Yan, sige dapat pa gano'n. Hindi mo siya mataas. Kasi mapadala ko dito. Wala akong napadala. Bisa naman guys, please. Please. Balik. Pwede si Charlie. Saan pupunta ko? Lalo gulahan. Sabihin sa ID cars, there's no way they can handle it. Dated na. Box naman tayo dyan. Box tayo dyan, boy. Box tayo dyan, boy. Let's go.
Naku, yung ano ko pala. Mag-Graham bar ko, hindi ko pa nagagawa.
Aiming slow. I saw it through. Gotta forget. Everyone. Everyone. You're right.
Maaga ka gumising, kuya, ha? Nag-deliver ako bukas sa work. Maaga.
Forcing us to travel back and forth. No, we're coming back to base between calls. And stay out for as long as we can.
Tulog ka na, pero maaga kang magising.
He knows our procedure, so he's predicting our moves. So, we need to switch it up, be less predictable. Z-Team, what happens
Ilang
today?
minutes? 46 na, malapit na. And na ako, maya.
1 hour? No? 1 hour?
Affirmative on that. Be careful out there.
1 hours. Saka 1 hours tayo.
Take a good look. It'll be the last thing you see.
Rescue.
I'll be my harvest. Harvest? Finally. We're gonna ship a flag over the same boarding building. I got 2 boarding buildings.
Wait. Hey, didn't we find her last week? She was the one attacking the Frigos. Serious heat out there. No, man.
Oh, I've got these.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Grabe, puta food. Nice. Nice one. Watch. Watch. Nice. Let's go.
Wala na namang chocolate sa Pure Gold.
Sensor na down here. Predict fruits next week. Wala akong ibigay sa iyo sa
Sila makapag-supply.
Yo, got a plan for beating you back. You can actually turn this around. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, man.
still this still before the game.
Wait for me.
Busy lahat kasi mga patalaga. Kailangan natin si Sonar. Sabi pa talaga natin si Sonar. Wala ka edit mo. Nice. 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 Slamming with the penis.
Oh, damn! Razor's here! Honey, see you in trouble?
Well,
Nice.
that's great because I'm pretty much constantly. I was not expecting this.
Oh, what a start.
For a time like this,
Pero pag pinagsabi natin sir,
they will know my wrath. Ah, Razor, you're looking well.
See, to you, I'm a man.
I still have your hairbrush. I feel that you control my mustache.
Makagat ka.
Still,
this one's not good, sir. 69%. Let's go, Gumby. Alright. On Fuego. Yun! Tama, pinadala ko, boy. Ano na, cute? Walo ka pala eh. Yun na, bawal. Bawal ang sili.
let's lock in.
Pangit naman ang binigay sa ating ano eh. No stats. Kailangan natin matalino. Kaya natin si Blaze.
John Blazer. Ay, bawals.
Gather on 18. I look forward to earning your respect.
Sino kaya dito? Si Blazer na lang. Hirap naman magpadala. Hindi pa padala ko.
I risk my reward.
Ay, dali. Kailangan na natin galugan. Jesus Christ, take that copper out now. Aray ko! Pasok. Nice one. Let's go. Bilis, bilis, bilis! Hanggang sunod, what's next? Ano, tapos na. Guy. 64. Pasok, nice. Nice one, Plumber. Ilang percent ang ating kasama ko? Kasi may panalo kaya. Ay, hindi panalo. Ay, let's go! Let's go!
Very good. Not personal.
That was done.
Great idea.
Great idea, indeed. Yan! Perfect combi.
You just don't know when to quit, do you?
Perfect combination din, boy. Ano next? What's next? Napapalo na ako, boy. Ano next, boy? Ano next, boy? Ano next?
The red ribbon is a remote. And it
Ito,
is
secret exist. Okay, boy.
Can I help you? Am I ready for this?
Yup, you are. Pasok yan, boss. 100! Bubog ka ko!
You like this policy? Come on, you heard the man. Run that push.
I expect the key to the goddamn city after this.
All gas, no break.
Wala akong ipapadala to. Bubos ng bomba.
A third bomb's been located. West side.
Walang katalino dito, boy. Sobrang blazer lang ang chance.
I wish to speak with Block Blazer.
Check ako na kanina. Give her everything you've got. Diba?
I'm on it.
Wala, 100%. Golden Primo.
Kalay pa pala.
95?
Kalay pa pala.
Correct. Easy. Let's go. Nice one.
May plema ang host.
Oh, fuego.
Lagyan ko siya ng glue para hindi na siya masira ng position. Tapos palamigin ay patigasin natin.
Sino nagpapasababot ka?
Gawin ko na yung isang parol. Ba't mo ngayon? Yung isang gumling kuya, yung green. Ay, yung blue. Ay, yung green. Oo.
Reverse? Wala, nag-reverse yung ano ko. Nag-reverse yung keyboard ko. Wala, reverse. Wala. Wala. Reverse, reverse yung ano, reverse yung mga ano. What? What? Naka-reverse sila, idol.
Hala, kuya na. Natanggal.
Oh my God, sa
Kuya, natanggal.
Ano to, ala?
Tinanggal mo na eh. Kuya, natanggal. Kuya, natanggal.
Di pa, mali ba?
Kuya. Natanggal.
Ah, meron dito. Ah, meron. Invisible pa.
Kuya.
Ah, alright.
Natanggal.
Kaya may type reverse.
Natanggal mo eh.
Tapos ka na tayo.
Tapos ka na. Iba po na eh. Maya tutulog na ka. Ay, mag-1 hour na ako, diba? Ang galing. Kagawa ako ng isa pa na eh.
Nice one. Panalo.
Tapos, tulog na.
100%.
Ay, excuse po. Excuse po.
Hey, play one.
Nabaril. Nabaril mo na ata si nanay. Ha? Nabaril mo na si nanay.
Alam nilang dispatching yung susi eh. Saan ka tabi? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Your life support! Your life support!
Naiiwan mo na po ako kasi mag-e-end na rin ako. Tatapos na po ako.
Maipit ka doon.
Sakto ko lang to 1 hour. Okay, gawa tayong parol guys.
Boy? Andito si Invisible. Andito si Invisible. Invisible. Si Invisible.
Tapos bukas, ang gagawin ko na lang ay 3.
I defended for you.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, I caught you. I caught you at home.
Think I let you catch me if I was doing that? Use your head.
Hey, hey. What's going on? Try to steal your vaccine. He broke my contract. But Disney is a traitor. She's getting all of us.
It's not what I was doing. Trying to help you.
I trusted you. Never again. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's up to you. Wake up, man. Wake up, man. I stopped it.
Hey, you need me.
You got the octopus. You are ready for it now.
I know it's coming.
It's on you. Oh. She blew it away. Wake up, man. Wake up, man. Alam ko na, bubukasin ko. You're under attack. Watch it. Let me get the power back. Okay, brother. You help enough. I don't. No. Wait. Brother, I need more super. It's the only chance we have.
We have jammers out. You're not going to be able to bomb out Old Hollywood. That's why this place is not as screaming the heroes.
You should know a lot about the plan for someone not involved.
Look, they tried to recruit me. Of course they did. But I said no.
Bullshit. Watch it. I can get the power back on. I need to make me a sweep to the red thing. Here. Take this. Let's go, brother! Things up? We're fighting the red thing. We're not walking out with them. Oh my God, brother. Hey, don't listen to her kind of book. Hey, keep her tied up.
I got some pepper spray you can borrow, and that's not enough.
Runa na yung oras!
Alright, but tell me. What? What are you looking at? have to post me back. I was trying to protect you.
Yeah. Well, we internally believe in the whole boss isn't making me feel protected right now. What?
This is me. Because there's sticks here. Don't say it's Robert, but you're dangerous. Look, I'm fine. You look stupid, but he is a killer. You don't have powers. You need my help. Just let me help. Please.
I don't know. Pwede ko naman ibigay kung shroud yung astral place eh. Bakit pa siya pumunta dito? Diba? Pero bakit hindi siya? It's exhilarating. Yeah, excitement. Let's go!
Here?
I'm looking for something I can use for those toolbox of it.
What do you do that for?
Oh, I wonder, Lizzie, why would you offer these tools without visible criminal thieves?
But Robert.
Ah, good.
Ba't mo pinay tayong panhanak? Init eh.
I am trusting the kiss. I'm trusting the kiss. Oh my word, this coffee is scary. What? Okay. Be good, be good, be good.
Yes. Nice job. Okay. It's not so.
Oh, Robert is here. You mind helping him?
Why would you creep away from to zipper if you don't have? What are you asking me?
He just put his away. Those are the dignified thing to do.
Dignified for who?
I know the guy well. It's for him his own eyes. Very
No. Absolutely not. No way.
Really?
Your brother not wanting to just means I'm pretty sure.
Fine, Jesus. What's this supposed to?
Doesn't move on.
Let's go, Roy. Ow! Ow!
Go get your syrup.
Wait, should we stick together? Who was that?
Kasi yung pulse. Siguro yung nasa yung pulse. Nice one. Here, come on! Nice one, boy.
This is great. Wait, hello, green apple. Obviously, the seed doesn't work
Ito.
with the assholes.
Ano siya? Ganito siya. Tapos sunod ganito. Ayan. Ang loob pala.
Our other arms right before we jump. Super weird pricing. Or, as big as the pulse.
Ayan, 4. Pagsasama-samahin yan. Ganyan. 1, 2, 4. Dapat ganyan.
Where's Shroud?
Tapos iti-tape natin.
Yeah, that's what I said. Right. What am I waiting for? Crazy, right? So cool. So cool! What? Hasta la voz. That's what this is all about. You need stupid spider shit. We just skip this part. I don't need to know what you've done. I can stop you. There's nothing else to do. Ano yung nagpiprodit? Let's go! You were late. My calculations are just showing 3 seconds ago.
Disappointed.
Tell your boy nobody's best surprise. Well, that's a good thing.
Dalawa na guys.
It's a good idea.
Ganito yan. Mamagicin na natin yan. Ngayon, pagkatapos mo siyang ganyanin, maging 5 piraso na siyang sama-sama. Pagdidikidin na rin. Ay. Lunak.
Meron ako nakita sa hugasan eh.
Yan.
Sticky.
Paano magkakaroon?
Ano, restro pala yun.
Yan na. Ito siya. Ganito na yan. Ito. Tapos ito. Yan. Yan.
Nice one.
Hey. Init.
Ito naman eh, puzzle tabi. Hey, to the rescue. I hope my saving from the collision was appropriate.
It was.
Sheesh. Si Auntie, no? Si Malevola. Isa sa mga magandang characters na yun.
Oh, great. I'll just hold it.
We never finished our dance.
Actually, we got the guy for it.
Para safe, nakaglo na, naka-stage pa. Diba? Para hindi magtatanggalan. Aha.
Ayun, binalik ko sa kabilang planeta.
This isn't working. He knows your next move before winter.
Gawin nyo na yung ginawa ni Prism kanina yung mga illusions. Okay. Ano ka nabot ko kasi? Taray, nag-synops na siya.
Literal assassin for someone wrong. That boy, shit's not looking right. Did you know that? That's the cleaners how much guano they come across.
By the looks of things, I made the right decision.
Let's go, Sonar! Asa si Sonar? Akala ko nalabas si Sonar. Wala kang paluwag yung best na kulit para mga high school. Wala ka. Teka!
You're not the boss, so you don't get to tell me who you are.
Hey, we're your friends.
This isn't weird. Help us stop Shroud and earn your spot back on the team.
Sonar.
That's where you're wrong. I thought I had friends. You made me realize I never actually did. So now, I'm just doing what's right for me.
Oh.
See? Ah. Cute na, di ba? Yun, lalagyan natin siya ng red sa gitna.
Ayun, hirap naman. Sila, kinakapuso ko na mag-give
transition. Hindi ka maka-transition na favorite ko. Yes, ah. Bulag. Bulag kayo dyan, boy. Sige. Okay, sarap mo.
Diba? Sunod natin ilalagay is ang sunod natin ay tali.
Dapat talaga si blood freezer na lang. Wala ka lang. Uy. No! Uy, bigyan mo yan ah. Natrap ko yun ah. Kinakapos na ako pero natrap ko yun.
Ay, mali.
Wow.
Ito pala dapat sa harap para tatakpan ko siya. Okay.
Ready? Ano bang sensor yan? Who's that? Sino yun?
Next natin is ito na.
Chase?
Ay, ito pala muna.
Nice.
Ay, sige na yan.
Not the only one who wasn't one of the powers. Other powers come from that area.
Really? Oh, look at you. Hey, look at me. Si Blazer. Hey, Avengers.
Okay.
Asa na ang sensor mo? Hindi masyado marami, no? Hindi mo alam kung anong nangyari, no? Pero si Brad Blazer pala dapat all along. Grabe, let's go, Chase! Kala ko na, one shot na ano tayo, na control tayo. Ay, hindi, control pala, control mo. Kala ko napasok. Yes, sir. Ayun, napos. Nice one. Sino yun? Si Brad Blazer? Hindi siya black! Bro, hindi siya black! Wow, hindi ko napansin! Si Brad. Hey, Kayla! Super spirit! Wow! Wala energy doon.
That's it. Let's go again. You might want to go again. Nice.
It's you. Nice. You,
Look, whatever. Still look good, right? Come on.
look at the French soccer player is going through something.
I'm not picture that. Ano naman sa'yo?
Track star. Oh, he's a surprise.
Lazy. Elliot. We didn't get it.
Respectful. Like this. Why is everything so tense? Don't worry. Nothing can happen. This track alone, they'll just swoop in and catch you. So yeah, if I'm killing this dog, I'm sure.
Eli, please don't do this.
You can't. Oh, I definitely can. You should know that by now. So, why don't you fly your father's suit up here and give me my fucking astral rose? The rest of you can surrender. That'd be helpful.
Tatlong tao naman. Ah. Ano na nanonood?
Ay, nakayat na.
Is this going to be a jungle moment? Is this going to be a jungle moment? Don't kill the stove, bro. Oh! We're gonna do an invisible switcheroo.
Sloppy guys, holiness. I know you fall for what is it you call her? You kiss her girl. And she's still that self-taught voice like everything else she's won. That's why we glad to know you.
Ano? Dapat ba nag-blank laser na lang tayo o gusto? Hindi ko na siya blank. Really?
Yeah, she works for us too. She gets 2 paychecks for the same job. We go with her. She's embarrassed. So, all that to say, there isn't a thing you can do that I haven't worked out. Once I have the box, I won't need to do it. I'll just know. So don't allow me about it. Not right now.
Yung mga powers niya, prediction.
Same time, I just want fair exchange.
Just don't be an idiot and try to get me from attack. You're a bad person. You're a man of my word. Give me my box. No harm will come to your stupid dog. You all hear that?
Baka ano? Hindi na ako magpapredict. No. Wala nang predict. Kailangan mo lang mag-edit.
Listen to it 1,000 times.
Nakakailang mali na ang prediction.
The last step said, I'm biased. So, don't fucking test me.
Ako magdidesisyon.
Ah. Opo.
I don't know when I'm here. Slowly bothering.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Sige. Eh. Padalawin mo to. Udan. Ah, diba? Ganun lang yung kadali, guys. Ito lang ang matrabaho dyan. Ito, tsaka ito. Ito, madali lang siyang gawin. Pwede nang matulog. Nakadalawa na ako. Bukas na yung tatlo. Bye-bye! Ay, gawin ko ng 1:30. 1 hour and 30 minutes. Para masaya.
Lahat sila lumalakas.
I just
Feel like
You don't have to do this. You've already won.
mahina ka palang nilangka. Mahina ka mahina. Ay, yung gulok mo. Ay. Ay, ang hina mo. Hindi worth it. Bugbugin ka. Nakakaawa. Kunin yung astronauts.
dalawa na. Bukas magsusoft drinks ka ulit. Yari ka kay Papa. Pag dinalaw, pag dito pa. Mas maganda sana na. Mas maganda na pag ganito. Dalawa pareho para ano. Walang talaga kita yung
Kunin yung astronauts.
gastos lang. So, ayan na. Bye-bye na, guys. Thank you sa mga pumunta. Tutulog na kami. Nakadalawa na ako. Antok na. Ay, baba. Ayan. Merry Christmas. Woo-hoo-hoo! Bye-bye na. Thank you so much. Bye.
You know, it's kind of a whole point.